Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will study about physical parameters for growth of bacteria. Let's start our topic फिजिकल पैरामीटर्स फॉर ग्रोथ। माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स जो ग्रो करते हैं हार्श कंडीशंस में उन्हें बोला जाता है एक्सट्रीमोफाइल्स। बैक्टीरिया जो होते हैं जनरली वेरी करते हैं न्यूट्रिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट में, जिसकी वजह से ये एग्जिबिट करते हैं डाइवर्स रिस्पॉन्सेज टू फिजिकल कंडीशंस लाइक सॉल्यूट्स एंड वाटर एक्टिविटी, pH, etc. Solute and water activity. Many microorganisms keep their osmotic concentration of their protoplasm somewhat above that of habitat. और ये कैसे करते हैं? By the use of the compatible solutes so that plasma membrane is always pressed firmly against their cell wall. Algae and fungi, what they do, they employ sucrose and polyols, example glycerol, to increase their osmotic concentration in a hypertonic environment. If we talk about water activity of solution, that is equal to 1 by 100 relative humidity of solution. In other terms, we can say that water activity is solution vapor pressure to that of pure water. अगर सॉल्यूशन का हाई ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर होता है तो वाटर एक्टिविटी उसकी लो होती है। पीएच जो होता है मेजर होता है हाइड्रोजन आयन एक्टिविटी ऑफ अ सॉल्यूशन का। पीएच कैन बी डिफाइंड एज नेगेटिव लॉगरिथम ऑफ hydrogen ion concentration, and pH scale is from 0 to 14. Each species has a definite pH growth optimum and growth range. Optimum pH for growth lies between 6.5 and 7.5. However, a few bacteria prefer more extreme pH values for growth. Drastic variation in cytoplasmic pH can harm organism by disrupting the plasma membrane and inhibiting activity of enzymes. Buffers generally डाले जाते हैं मीडिया में so that preventing the growth inhibition by large pH changes, example phosphate buffer. टेम्परेचर। माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म क्योंकि यूनिसेलुलर होता है इस वजह से ये माना जाता है कि माइक्रोबियल सेल टेम्परेचर जो होता है रिफ्लेक्ट करता है सेल सराउंडिंग्स टेम्परेचर को। व्हेन ऑर्गेनिज्म आर अबव ऑप्टिमम टेम्परेचर बोथ फंक्शन एंड सेल स्ट्रक्चर आर अफेक्टेड. If temperature are very low, function is only affected. Microbial growth has characteristic temperature dependence with distinct cardinal temperature, minimum, optimum, and maximum growth temperature. ऑक्सीजन कंसंट्रेशन। एक ऑर्गेनिज्म जो ग्रो कर सकता है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एटमॉस्फेरिक ऑक्सीजन दैट इज नोन एज एरोब, एंड वन दैट कैन ग्रो इन इट्स एब्सेंस is known as anaerobe. On the basis of the oxygen concentration required by the bacteria, we can divide them into obligate aerobe, facultative anaerobe, aerotolerant, strict anaerobe, and microaerophile. Oxygen content of the medium decreases with depth until medium becomes anaerobic toward bottom of the tube. Flavoproteins radiation promote the oxygen reduction and forms superoxide radical, hydroxyl peroxide, hydroxy radical that are extremely toxic products as they are powerful oxidizing agents and destroy the cellular constituents. Obligate aerobes and facultative anaerobes contain enzymes superoxide dismutase and catalase, which catalyze destruction of superoxide radical and hydrogen peroxide respectively. प्रेशर। मोस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म जो होते हैं स्पेंड करते हैं अपनी लाइफ ऑन द लैंड और ऑन सर्फेस ऑफ वाटर दैट इज सब्जेक्टेड टू अ प्रेशर ऑफ 1 atmospheric pressure and never affected by pressure. But in deep sea, hydrostatic pressure can reach 600 to 1100 atmospheric pressure, while temperature is about 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. Despite these extremes, bacteria survive and adapt. Radiation. If we talk about it, ionizing radiation breaks the hydrogen bonds, oxidizes double bonds, polymerizes some molecules. Oxygen enhances destructive effects through generation of hydroxy radical. Ultraviolet radiation forms thymine dimers in DNA and leads to inhibition of DNA replication. My next video will be about table on nipples and its definitions based on physical parameters for growth. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the latest updates. Stay tuned with my channel by clicking the bell icon. If you have any query, then please write it in the comment box. You can also suggest the topic for the video in the comment box.